I've really been enjoying this battery operated lawnmower. It's so easy to use, it's lightweight, it works really well, it's wider than my other electric lawnmower. I think it's been just working fantastically. You can see as I'm mowing across this swing set, it's just so lightweight I can move it with one hand. This is the box that it comes in. It does require some assembly, but it didn't take me too long to put together, probably about 15 to 20 minutes. It does come with a bag, a battery, charger, and then the only thing you really have to assemble are the handles that go on the lawnmower. It does come with instructions. I didn't need to use any instructions because it's really self-explanatory. You can adjust the angle of the handles if you would like. Here is the blade for the lawnmower. So most of the lawnmower is made out of plastic. The blade obviously is metal. The battery, you can press a button to see what the battery level is at. The battery lasts about 30 minutes, kind of depends on your grass and how it is. But you can see me here, I'm cutting some pretty tall grass. I've let my grass grow extra long and it's doing a great job. Now, if the grass is too tall, it will kind of seize up or it will stop. So that's something you need to be aware of. I think that's a safety feature and that's actually a good feature. So if you're mowing something that you shouldn't mow, it will stop. Or if the battery just gets too low, it will stop. But here you can kind of see a time lapse of me cutting some tall grass, some weeds, just a bunch of various stuff, and it works really well. And it does have a bag, so you can use that to empty the grass, or if you want, it has a mulch attachment. So I typically prefer using the mulch attachment just because I'm lazy like that. So you can put that in there, and then it just puts the grass back into the rest of the grass so it can decompose. But here I am mowing some, I want to say my lawn, but you know, some weeds. But it goes through that really well. Again, it's just so lightweight, so easy to use. It cuts the grass very well. This was sent to me so I could make this video, and you can see me here trimming the weeds. You're not supposed to use it like this, obviously. I'm using it as a weed whacker, but it does a great job. So it does really well for my whole yard. Really pleased with it. It's so lightweight, you can kind of store it in places where you wouldn't normally store a lawnmower. You can hang it up or do whatever you want. Just nice and lightweight, easy to use. I've been very happy with it. I've actually been using a battery operated lawnmower for the past 3 years, and I don't think I'm ever going to go back to gas powered mowers because I like it so much more. They're just a lot more quiet, there's no smell, a lot easier to deal with. Highly recommend this lawnmower.